इतना सफर है कुछ होने में और बहुत कुछ होने में। इतना सा फर्क है एक बार सोच के छोड़ देने में और लग के कर दिखाने में। मान लेने में कि जिंदगी ऐसे ही कटेगी और सुबह 4 बजे उठ के सोचने में कि अभी तो बस शुरुआत है। किसी मैगजीन को हाथ में लेने में और उसी मैगजीन के कवर पेज पे होने में इतना सा ही तो फर्क है। वीआईपी सीट में और उसकी पिछली सीट में इतना सा ही तो फर्क है। वो जिसका मैदान ही खुला आसमान है वही कल जमीन पर तो था। पूछोगे तो बताएगा वो पंछी कि एक दायरे में सिमटने में और पूरी दुनिया को दायरा बनाने में बस इतना सा फर्क है। इतना कितना है? इतना है या इतना है? जो नापेगा वो जाने कि जहां धरती और आसमान मिलते हैं, नानकुर से दूर, अगर मगर शायद से दूर, वहां भी दोनों में फर्क बस इतना सा है। धरती और 7वें आसमान में फर्क बस इतना सा है। ये एक अंतर प्रेरणा है। ये हमारी, आपकी, हम सब की अंतर प्रेरणा है। एक कदम, एक छलांग, एक बाजी, एक गहरी सांस और एक ललकार खुली हवाओं में कि हाँ मैं बना हूं उन फिजाओं के लिए, कि हाँ मैं बना हूं उन ऊंचाइयों के लिए जो ऊंची तो बहुत है पर नामुमकिन भी नहीं, क्योंकि मुमकिन और नामुमकिन में बस इतना सा फर्क है। धूप छांव में फर्क बस इतना सा। तो बस चलिए फ्रेंचाइज इंडिया के साथ ये फर्क मिटा देते हैं। फ्रेंचाइज इंडिया, 20 years of ideas.
A very good afternoon to each and everyone who has joined us today for our Business Opportunity with Chai webinar series. Franchise India is Asia's largest integrated franchise solution company. It's 23 years old company, which is investor-centric company. And with our 80 plus offices and 275 plus consultant seasoned professionals, we try to give the business solutions suggestions to each and every investor so that they can take a conscious and informed decision about selecting the right franchise for them as well as for their families. We were the first company to introduce and develop franchise market in India. And we are truly committed to our services towards our investors as well as brand. And we are among the top 10 management companies in India. We welcome each one of you along with our management team as well as brands representative for this particular webinar. This webinar is all about the digital representation of the business opportunity which we have got for you. During the webinar, we'll try to get the correct and complete understanding about the business model and we'll take all your queries. The brand which we are bringing you today is FinLab. They are the leaders in the paint protection vertical. They have a distribution partner in 30 plus countries, and they have their India partners HO at Bangalore. And we invite Mr. Krishna Kumar as well as Subhash will be talking about this great opportunity. But before we invite them to talk about their business model, I would like to invite Gaurav sir and Sonia ma'am to talk about the business opportunity which we have got for you. It's about Advantage program. So over to Gaurav sir and Sonia ma'am.
Thank you so much, Ashna, and welcome our friends today who've come on the webinar. And Investor Advantage program, like Ashna mentioned, we are an investor-centric and a franchise-focused company, and our purpose has always been to make every Indian self-reliant through entrepreneurship. And with this, we have been bringing opportunities all these 23 years. And through these webinars, especially the last 1 year, we have tried to share as much as knowledge through our Facebook page, which you can witness and maybe see the entire recordings of companies, which are more than 800 odd opportunities that we tried and bring to you in the last 1 year, which is from both industry and also industry experts who have come and presented these. But at the same time, we also understand buying a business is a difficult decision and a one-time decision in life of an entrepreneur largely. And hence, this Investor Advantage program, which we have launched, gives a guided and a personalized assistance in selection of an opportunity, which is based on a 5-tool assessment of Franchise India, where we analyze with you your self, which is, self-assessment, where our advisors work with you to assess what is right for you. Second is we also work with you to help you with the industry assessment. Third, we work with you to do the market assessment of the opportunity which are right for your market. Fourth, we also work with you to do a competitive mapping, or maybe a competitive assessment of brands which are available in that segment. And lastly, we work with you to do the brand assessment. So these are 5 assessment tools where our advisors, business advisors across India, including our independent franchise consultants in about 80 plus cities, work with you to give these solutions to you. And this, we sign up, I would say, a term for a 6 months with you, where during these 6 months, our teams work with you to select these opportunities and evaluate these options for you. And this comes also at a very small fee of 15,000, which we take as a registered fee from our investors, because at Franchise India, especially, ever since the lockdown has begun, our inflow of inquiries have almost multiplied today. And it becomes difficult for us to focus on every inquiry which comes in. So anyone who's registered with us and takes this Investor Advantage program, we put dedicated man hours with all of you to help you take this business. And before I invite our brand for the day, I will also request Mr. Maria to maybe present and talk and give a perspective about the opportunity and also the other events that we have taken and initiated in the last 4 days. Over to you.
Thank you, Sonia, and welcome, friends, and welcome to another edition. This has been going on for last 1 year, and today we have passed the full cycle, and I think we will continue to bring in newer opportunities every single day. We've also added some new webinars, which you should know that every 7 o'clock in the evening, we have a city-based webinar. Yesterday we did Bhubaneswar, today is Amravati, where we talk about an opportunity, particularly in that zone, and we bring in some different brands, multiple brands, or 5 brands every time for particular opportunity. So it's a program which is now 30 days, 30 cities. So we go into every city and talk about that opportunity. So if you are interested, you can join that. It's not restricted by that you have to belong to that city. You can also do that to give you multiple opportunities. Every Friday, like today, we also have a 10 o'clock in the morning, where we bring in multiple brands, more iconic brands. Like we today had Linen Club and a lot of these larger companies which come in at 10 o'clock Friday. So 10 o'clock Friday, just note. And every Sunday, we also have a webinar at 4 o'clock, which is a regional show, where we also bring in the multiple brands. So in a week, if you really are exploring an opportunity, Franchise India gives you opportunity to access minimum of 30 to 40 different brands at different stages. And also we have possibilities for different investment classes. If you want to invest as a passive investor, there are a lot of fractional ownership kind of an opportunities which are available. Or if you want to invest into running business, we have many opportunities of running businesses available which are profitable, because we have a separate resale arm. If you are looking to start a unit franchise, and this show which you are already in is a great show. But if you're also looking to start an area or a master franchise, a lot of people want a full territory, then there are multiple other shows also available. We have over 100 top international and even the leading Indian brands which are offering an area and a master franchise. So if you are interested in area and master franchise, that also you can do. I will have a suggestion for each one of you to really note this number and save in on your phone book. It's called 97176838838, and WhatsApp that number to us, just an introduction. Once you do that, we will put you into our broadcast group, and we'll continue to send you more and more information about different brands. So it will become a regular information broadcast for you to join in on different links, and you can make your own choice which brand you want to come to. So let's start with today's webinar. Over to you, Archana, for introducing our first panelist or our panelist for today.
Yeah. So thank you so much, Sonia ma'am. Thank you so much, Gaurav sir. Your insights and suggestions will definitely help each one of us in our personal as well as professional matter. And the brand which we are bringing for you today is FinLab. As mentioned to you, we invite and welcome Mr. Krishna Kumar who is the MD CEO. Along with him, we also invite and welcome Mr. Subhash, who is the Director Sales, to talk about this opportunity. Thank you so much, both of you, for joining in today. Over to you.
Good morning, everyone. I am Krishna Kumar, the Managing Director and the CEO of this company called Pearl Shine Motors. We are the distributor for FineLab in India. And Mr. Suhas will give the introduction about the brand and in depth of the brand FineLab. Over to you, Suhas. Suhas.
Good afternoon to one and all present here. I'm Suhas and I'm the sales director for FineLab India. We have been passionate in the industry. FineLab is a 20-plus-year-old brand. It has been backed in the US. It has been the R&D and the manufacturing also happens in the US. So FineLab actually started about 2 decades ago. And it started as a polymer-based company who were into research and development of nanotechnology. And since it was a polymer-based company, they have also extensively done research. Thanks to our director, Dr. John Stewart, and also our sales director, Mr. Philip, who has been the spearheads and the masterminds behind the company's expansion. As of date, we are currently present across 30+ countries, and we have a wide range of distribution channels, and we fulfill all our requirements in less than 72 hours. And going forward, the company has actually started off as a white labeling product. So we had big brands which were approaching us for manufacturing and the sales of the products. And using our technology, they have also understood that they could be industry leaders. And about a decade ago, we were the pioneers to introduce self-healing coatings. So ceramic coating is something that's based on nanotechnology and nanopolymers, which bond together with your paint of the automotive car or any automotive vehicle. So once this self-healing was introduced, or basically the product was developed by FineLab, and by far it has been patented, and no other company has been able to achieve these self-healing coatings. So FineLab going forward decided that they will not be white labeling or manufacturing for anybody else, and they started their own brand called FineLab. And FineLab later expanded to 30+ countries, and over the last 10 years they've introduced 6+ variants of the same ceramic coatings, out of which FineLab Self-Heal Light and FineLab Self-Heal Plus are our USPs, the main products which have been researched and developed at Chicago, and all the manufacturing also does happen there. So wide variety of products are available. Something like ceramic is our entry level. Then you have ceramic light, then you have ceramic plus, ceramic ultra, self-heal light, and self-heal plus. And all of these are manufactured and also mainly packed and quality tested in the US. Going forward, if you look at our competitors, a lot of them claim to be based out of the US, based out of Europe, based out of Germany, and saying lots of different things. But if you actually look at their manufacturing hub, they all come back to China and Taiwan. And right now, basically our strength with the entire industry is going to be our primary R&D. We are very, very devoted to our R&D, and it has been the backbone of the company.
Yes, coming to the products now. Archana ji, can you change the slide, please? Archana ji, can you change the slide, please, to the... Yeah.
So these are some stuff where if at all you can see the slide, you can also understand that FineLab is also partnering with a lot of OEMs, and we have currently partnered with one OEM in the US, where the once the cars are manufactured, all of them are actually coated with FineLab products and sent out. Can you go to the next slide? So see, this shows a lot of potential for the Indian automobile sector. So Indian automobile sector is one of the fastest growing sectors in the world. We have about 30 million cars being sold on an average every year, and it also is predicted to grow by 10% for every year. And this gives a wide variety of opportunities for everyone. And you also can, if at all somebody has been in the industry and knows the industry, if you can understand that either the manufacturer themselves or any other third party vendor in the market are not able to provide substantial detailing services, which are very much required for every car. So if you look at Singapore, if you look at US, if you look at Europe, probably a 5-year-old car which has done about 100,000 miles will still not look like that. And that has been primarily because of the care and detailing that happens in such countries. And here in India, the cars are more or less, used for being commuted from point A to B, which has been changing recently. Most of the tier one cities, a lot of people who invest on luxury brands and who invest on cars as passion have also started maintaining cars with a lot of care and concern. And they love their automobiles, they love their machines. So, it's spick and span. It should always be sparkling. It should always be clean. That's their intention. So this gives a big opportunity for anybody investing in the brand and going forward. And the ROI for these brands are also quite good.
How?
Can we go to the next slide? So yeah, we were just talking about the luxury car market. So if you've seen the luxury car market, it has always been growing and people have been investing. And thanks to various things being done by the luxury car makers to introduce cars which are more affordable, and this segment will continue to grow as well. So as I was talking, so see, OEMs generally concentrate only on repairs or probably the spares. See, they primarily look at making their revenue through such sources. And also, if at all you look at it, the rest of the part, the aftermarket services which are being offered in the open source, they also concentrate only on repairs which are for older cars. So this gives a big opportunity for anybody who's penetrating into the market of detailing. And that's exactly what FineLab has been doing. And we have been the leaders for the past 20 years with over 30 plus countries of presence. Can we go to the next slide? So see, detailing comes with a lot of techniques. It comes with a lot of precision and comes again with quality. So if you have to understand how detailing has to be done, our technical director, Mr. Krishna, will be able to give you a more in-depth knowledge on this later in the webinar. So these are our current. Can we go back to the previous slide? Yeah. So these are our current partners in India. So we are present in 9 locations. Bangalore has 2 franchisees. One is a commercial setup. Another one is an independent setup. And in Chennai, we have an independent setup. Thrissur is one of our flagship facilities, with AutoStar being the spearhead for Kerala. And they've also established their own franchisees in Kochi and Kottayam. And Vijayawada is one of our upcoming projects. The partner with us is very passionate, he is very devoted, and he's also coming up with a standalone setup. Delhi is high street setup which is in the center of Delhi and happens to attract a lot of good business. So this also gives you an opportunity to understand that the setups need not be as big or as vast as your OEM establishments, but can also be done in compact ways and in a very practical manner, which gives you good ROI. So we were talking about FineLab. So this gives you some basic gist on what our products are, how it's been done. And as I said, John Stewart is our R&D director who does a lot of research with his team, who's got about 8 to 10 scientists from the Oxford University, who is based out of Chicago. Yeah, can you go to the next slide? So these are some coatings that you can do. I guess Krishna sir will be able to help you better with these because it gets into the technicalities as well. Over to you, Krishna sir.
Thank you, Suhas. Hi, everyone. Good morning. And today I would like to give you some brief idea about our FineLab products, where we are into. We have different range of products. As Suhas mentioned, we have nearly about 6 varieties of ceramic coating, not the same product with multiple layers. Which other competitors misguide customers as well. We have products for windows, we have products for leather, glass, textile, paint, plastic trims, and wheel and caliper. Different products we have for different purposes. As you mentioned, for plastics, if the plastic gets faded after some time, it looks dull and it gets gray. For that kind of plastics, we have plastic black coatings where it restores the plastic color and it looks like a brand new plastic for the old cars. In paint protection, we have a ceramic light, which is a 15 to 20 years old product, which is a 1-year warranty one, which is super hydrophobic and glossiest one. And we have ceramic V2 version 2, which is the latest version of ceramic, which is a single layer and which is topped with an overcoat. And we have ceramic plus. Ceramic V2 comes with a 3-year warranty, and ceramic plus comes with a 3-year warranty. The ceramic plus is one product which is having 20% of self-healing capacity in it. This product is especially for bright colors like red, blue, green, and white color cars. This gives more richness to the color. And we have one product which is a ceramic ultra, which is very hard coating, which is for 5 years of warranty. And this is usually used for like Thar and Mahindra Thar and all SUVs, where there is a little bit of harsh environment, which cars go into a harsh environment, rough roads and all. Now, for that, we have ceramic ultra. And we have our pioneer products, 2 more main pioneer products from FineLab, where one is the heel light, which has 50% to 60% of self-healing in it. The swirl marks, light swirl marks and light scratches self-heal themselves in the heat when the car is parked outside in the sun, or when hot water is poured on it, or a hot air gun, when a hot air gun is used, this self-healing happens. This nanomagnetic particles vibrate themselves and self-heal themselves. And coming to our most pioneer product is the Heal Plus. Heal Plus is one product where we have different products which combine to communicate. Six different products make one kit, and it's a multi-layer coating with 4 different layers using 6 products. And this self-heals happen nearly about 90%, where light swirl marks and light scratches self-heal when hot water is poured or car is parked inside outside the sun, or hot air gun is used. These are the product line as of now. Now we are in the next 2 months, we are launching 2 more game-changing products in detailing industry, which are called as ash coating, ash clear coat. Which is a instant self-healing, where you don't require any heat or anything. Just it self-heals immediately as soon as the scratch happens. This is a 50 micron coating, where it is the thickest coating available in the market, thickest coating available in the market. So coming to ash coating, it has comes with a 5-year warranty. It has to be sprayed in a paint booth. And we are coming up with one more product called as a liquid PPF. Liquid PPF is a product where the polyurethane coatings will come in a form of a liquid that has, when it's sprayed on the car, it becomes a film. When it becomes a film, it's a scratch proof. You can call it as a scratch proof film, where regularly now we are installing 3M PPF or any other brand which with a film which comes in a form of a film. We are installing it on a car, but this doesn't require any installation. Just spray it, it becomes a film. These are the two game-changing products which are going to change the detailing industry. And we are coming up with one and most unique product in the market, which is called as fine coat clear coat wipe on. It's basically a clear coat, which is a hand applied clear coat, which can be applied by with the hand. It's not a sprayable one. It just apply this coat with the hand with a microfiber pad or cloth. Then it fills all the swirl marks and the light scratches which are already existed in the car. You don't need to polish it. These three products are the game-changing products which we are launching in the next 2-3 months. These are the product lines which gives us FineLab a good strength for any business opportunity for the investor as well. Archana, please, can you play the videos? And these are the damages which we find on a paint, regular paint. You can see light swirl marks and light scratches. These can be polished and removed it with 2 polishing steps. And the medium and heavy scratches can be removed, but we'll be removing more thickness of your clear coat. This is our premium product, which I was telling you, the ash coating, which is an instant self-heal coating. You can see the half of the bonnet panel is coated with ash coating and half is the regular, what you see, the factory clear coat. Yes, play on.
And this is our regular clear coat. You can see a lot of scratches. I'm just creating swirl marks with the help of this brush. You can see. That's it. And now I'm using this brass brush to create swirl marks on both sides. Can you find anything?
Archana ji, can you play one, that Mercedes one?
Sure, sir.
This is the self-heal heal plus coating, which is the present technology we have in the market. Just pour some hot water, all scratches and swirl marks get vanished. One more video is there, Archana ji. These are the type of what product we have to use for what type of scratches and all. This is the technical detail. We'll come up with this at the time of training session. This is our AutoStark flagship store in Thrissur.
before the launch of the studio. Archana ji, one more video is there. Okay, okay, fine. Yes, this is it. Over to you, Archana. You can take on the. This is the difference between the wax coatings, polymer sealants, paint protection film, and FineLab ceramic coating. You can see the gloss wax is 4 stars and polymer sealants are 3 stars, and paint protection film, the gloss level is not that great. And you see FineLab ceramic coatings, the gloss is excellent. And here easy to maintain, where wax just vanishes with 1 wash or 2 washes, so your wax is gone. Sealants also is the same. And the paint protection is not that easy to maintain. You don't get that finish, the factory finish, or you don't get that gloss. Here it's easy to maintain when ceramic coating is done. It's a hydrophobic coating and an dust repellent coating as well. And so it's very easy. You need not wash the car daily, weekly once or twice you can wash. And see the hydrophobic, UV, and durability. Yes, paint protection film is durable, and even FineLab ceramic coatings are durable. Polymer sealants have a life of just 15 days to 1 month. And waxes has only one, they can stay on the car for till 1 week. Next slide, please. Yes, we have leather coatings as well, and textile coatings which are invisible and odorless. This for the carpets, for the interior leathers, interior plastics, we have interior plastic coatings as well. Next slide, please. This is our ceramic version 2. Which comes with one layer of one layer of coating with top coat on it. This is our ceramic plus for colors, bright color cars. which comes with a 3-year warranty, and up to 5 microns of coating can be done. Ceramic Light is the 20 years old product, which is a single layer, which is 1 to 2 microns of coating, which comes with a 1-year warranty. It is hydrophobic, is too good. The gloss is too good and easy to maintain. This is our pioneer product, which is a Heal Plus Heal Light, which has self-healing technology in it. 60% of self-healing. It is also a 5 micron coating. These are the wheel and calipers where harsh environment like brake dust, iron dust, and you have a lot of sand particles and all hitting it. So we need a hardest coating to be done on the wheels and calipers. So when you try to wash it, it is easy. It can easily remove all the dust particles or the iron dust or anything. That is wheel and caliper. This is our detailer spray. It acts, it is a maintenance product where after wash, each and every customer can do it DIY as a DIY product. They can use themselves. It's like a sealant, and it adds a ceramic thin layer of ceramic on top of the ceramic coatings. It acts like a recharge. And there are a couple of new products launching shortly. We have tire coatings. We have tire coating, rubber coatings as well for the tires. Yes. Next. And here is the proposal. Here are some of our workshops setups in Bangalore. Next slide. This is one more setup in Bangalore. We receive different kinds from a premium hatchback, from a premium vehicle to a hatchback car where we receive. You can see the type of quality in of work we do it on the cars. Next slide. We are planning to have 100+ locations in the matter of 2 years. We are planning to expand our brand in Pan India. And next slide, please. This is our Chennai studio, where we have 2 coating bays. And this is our Delhi location, Delhi Patparganj. It's located in Patparganj. Yes, this is our Bangalore, Central Bangalore studio. This is our Mysore studio, which is a small town. For a studio like small towns want to set up a studio, this is a simple studio which we designed for tier 3 cities. Next one, please. And there are 3 types of studios. One is the full service model, one is the new setup, and one is the conversion model. For that, we require minimum requirement would be about 2,500 square feet is our minimum requirement. Why? Because we in future, as I said, in the next 2 months or 3 months, we are launching our sprayable coatings and sprayable PPF. So for that, we require a paint booth as well. That we can have an option. We can dedicate a space for that paint booth later on when the product is launched. We can add on that as well in our infrastructure. The total infrastructure would be about 21,50,000. In that, For the new also, it would be 21 lakh 50,000. For a conversion setup, if there is an existing setup, they're working with a brand, other brand ceramic coating or anything, they want to convert them into a FineLab Studio. We have options for them, and the cost infrastructure, we can use the same infrastructure with slight changes, modifications, and that we can do it. And for the equipment part, the full service and the new setup has the same, nearly about 10.2 lakhs would be the investment. For conversion one, it would be 8.3 we said, but there also we can utilize whatever the machines and equipments they have, we can utilize them, and rest any upgrade, we can upgrade them. For that, we just showed 8.3 lakhs. Initial stock, as I mentioned, that initial stock has to be 10 lakhs, because as of now, the present range of products is nearly about 7 lakhs of worth of products is coming to up to, and the next 2-3 months we'll be launching the sprayable PPF and ash coating. Then it comes to 10 lakhs. The total would be about 10 lakhs. And here I would like to mention one thing. In the full service model, we are saying that automatic touchless car wash machine can be installed at the setup, where you need not wash the car, the machine itself wash the car with the touchless. In that machine, you can do 3 kinds of services, like sanitize the car, foam wash the car, and do a touchless ceramic. We have one product which is a touchless product ceramic. Just spray that product touchless ceramic and then rinse the car. Your car becomes super hydrophobic and gloss. So that product, these 3 services can be done with less labor, and there you can save money in terms of product, in terms of water. Savings are there. Definitely you can go with, if anyone is interested, that can be discussed separately. And business promotion and other activities, 2 lakhs has to be reserved, and 1.5 lakhs for the new setup. For the conversion also 1.5 lakh. And franchise fees would be about 10 lakhs for all the 3 kinds of setups. Total setup cost, this may vary. For the full service, including the automatic car wash machine, would be about 72.2 lakhs. Would be the new setup, would be without automatic wash, would be about 53.2, and the conversion setup would be about 38.3 lakhs. 30. Yeah. Next slide, please. Here is the revenue part without a new setup, without automatic machine. You can see the revenue. We can go through it detailedly. And we are expecting if they are into the partners which we would like to have with us would be a passionate guy in automobile industry, and we need key on work on top of the cars. They have to be very dedicated to their work. If there are existing detailing centers, yes, definitely we'll look into it. Car service centers also, yes, and who are looking for a new opportunities and new investment opportunities, yes, this is the right place you can invest in. And the support we give is technical support and soft skill trainings will be provided each and every, from the start till the finish of the setup. We'll give each and every drawings or anything related to the setup. We give it, and we do strategy marketing programs as well as to drive traffic to your store, and consistent product line product supplies will be there. And we are having a dedicated team where they can guide the business to have a right kind of approach to the business. Next slide, please. These are the, because we are the largest, second largest automobile industry. There we can have a lot of business opportunities in this sector. And we are also discussion with OEMs as well for tie-ups at their dealerships, where we can focus along with our detailing studio. We can also do the services at the OEM dealership as well. And a lot of top-end customers are willing to have their services done at the products which are innovative. So there we come up. Next slide, please. And this is all about our franchise model and this. Yes, Gauravji.
Krishnakumarji, thank you very much. It was a very elaborate presentation, a great product, and I liked your, especially your studios. Studios were very well done and designed and aesthetically right, and also gives a very premium piece to it. So let's start with a few questions, and I would like you to first explain, because some people really joined late and they wanted to understand the overall industry and the size of the industry. So if you can really tell what is the current size of the industry and how do you think that industry is growing, especially the detailing and the overall industry, how do you see the industry growing? And also you can talk about a little bit of the competition currently available in the market, who are the key players which are available, and how do you position yourself versus these players in the market?
Yes, Mr. Suhas will explain each and every question about this.
Okay,
Yes,
great. Yes, good afternoon, Mariaji. Nice to have you come up with such topics. Okay, so firstly, to start off, see, basically, the brand itself is based out of US, as I had mentioned earlier.
Yeah.
Yeah, so a lot of PQs, that's the prerequisites or the pre-qualifications, are given out through that. Based on that, our studios are generally set up. And coming to the product, so see, product is something that is continuously being researched and developed. When you look at other competitor players, there are not many who are capable of doing such things because of a lot of financial constraints, or also probably because of the lack in knowledge that they back with. Here, FineLab on a regular basis is in touch with most of the distributors and the top installers to understand if the product has been performing right and if something has to be changed as per their tropical conditions. For example, here in India, we don't face snow. It's quite rare, unless and until you're living up in the north, it's quite rare for you to face snow. So the products needed some changes for India, and they have custom made such changes to the shipments or the products that come into India. Whereas you look at other ceramic coatings, they're just manufactured in bulk, packed and sent out. And the key competitors, yes, we do have some competitors. I'm not saying no, but they are basically our competitors because of the strong PR and marketing that they have done. And we don't see any other brand coming close to us or any other product coming close to us in terms of the quality of the product. The quality has been far superior, and as I said, the proprietary products like the FineLab Self-Heal Plus and the Self-Heal Lite, a lot of brands have tried to replicate the product for the past 10 years, and none of them have been able to do it. So that itself shows the kind of strength and the kind of knowledge that backs our R&D.
Sure. In the ceramic coating, I think they are one of the leading brands in the world, and the overall industry is divided into three parts. It's used in OEMs for a lot of preparation before they sell the cars. They would put the coating, or even if they sell a car, they do that. Then later you will use this for protection, and you'll also use it for regular maintenance. And especially on the premium cars, this is a very big industry, car detailing. There are a lot of, sorry, please.
So yeah, so coming to the size of the industry, as you had one of your points were, the size of the industry is quite big. See, if at all you look at the used car market, especially after the pandemic, the used car market has probably tripled or quadrupled, because a lot of them are relying on their own personal transport. And here in India, generally, if you walk into any used car showroom, you will not feel like buying the car. That's basically because of how it's maintained and treated. And that's where detailers come into play. If at all you have maintained your car and if you have kept it spick and span, your resale value first and foremost goes up, and also it makes an easier point for you to give off your used car.
Yeah, that
So
comes in
win-win situation.
your preparation. You know, any sales cycle which would happen, you need to prepare a car to do that, and the car detailers would come in and do that piece for a lot of resellers. So that's a big opportunity. And
Yes,
then you also
yes.
for protection and also use it for larger maintenance. So
Yes,
these are
correct.
3 cycles which are essentially in the auto space, while the opportunity would also be in a lot of other spaces also internationally. Use it, but in India, if we stick to the auto space, I think the 3 levels of cycles are obviously sales cycle, which is a preparation cycle, protection cycle, and maintenance cycle.
Maintenance.
So
That's
now
correct.
let's get these opportunity, particularly. Let's go into depth of the opportunity, because we have studios, you said, and there is a full service studio, and then which has a paint room also, and then also you have the conversion model. So let's start with the conversion. When you say conversion, which means that we go to an existing service point and convert that into your studio, or somebody who's running some kind of a maintenance and service centers can earmark some area for you to run a particular studio there. So can you explain a little bit on the conversion part of it?
Okay, great. So yeah, see, both are possible. First and foremost, let's understand that there are multiple detailers in the market who are running on different brands, but they might not be entirely happy with their ROI, or they might entirely not be happy with the products and feedbacks from their customers. So they can immediately switch over to our brand, and they can reiterate or probably re-establish their setups in the required manner for FineLab to operate, and they can continue with their business. And the other part is as you said, the workshops. So there are a lot of workshops which get a lot of cars for repairs and fixings, and such people can earmark a specific space in their in their workshop to establish a studio. So basically, a studio is something that has a dust-free environment with that is temperature controlled, because these coatings are essentially much needed to be at a certain temperature and certain humidity. So since they have to be controlled, we need a closed environment. That's why we have coating bays in all our setups. So once this coating bay is established, you can pretty much work on the car. And also another point that I would like to add on here is, if you look at other competitor players, they only manufacture ceramic coatings. Like for example, their chemical is basically white labeled and they're selling it that secondary, but they don't have anything that leads up to the preparation of ceramic coating. Ceramic coating does not happen like you get the bottle and coat it, but you have a lot of preparation and polishing that goes to it. And they don't have manufactured, or they don't have products of their own brand to do such things. But here in FineLab, you have everything. So from your polishing compounds, from your polishing equipments, or your requirements before the ceramic coating, that's the preparation equipment like your panel preps, your towels, your application pads, and all of that, everything is being given by FineLab. So you have a car that comes in and goes out, which is completely handled with FineLab products. So you don't have quality issues. For example, you have another competitor product, and later when you go in for a warranty claim, if something has gone wrong, he will say that you have used a different polishing compound. That's why you have not got the adequate quality. But here in our case, that cannot be a reason, because we have all our products which are needed for the coating purposes.
Sure. So that's very helpful. Now let's get into the model, because as a franchisee, when you want to really participate, because you're now selling through OEMs and you're selling through a conversion model, and you are also having independent studios. Would you not see a conflict of interest for a franchisee who would come and invest on that? Or how you're structuring your partnerships? Would the same franchisee who is in a complete studio would get an opportunity to work through OEMs also in the neighborhood? Say if I take a franchise for Surat, would I not be able to work on other possibilities in the market?
So basically two things. For once you're a partner with our Fine Lab, you have a dedicated territory. For example, as Maria mentioned, so what happens is if you take up Surat, any business opportunities in Surat, any possible or any commercial tie-ups with any of our dealerships there will only go to that particular establishment or that particular franchisee. So Surat will more or less be handled entire by that particular franchisee.
So friends, this is very, very important aspect which we have done. They're a great product company and they have multiple possibilities to work in a particular city. So when you become a city franchisee, you will open up a studio. You can also work with existing a lot of other players where you can supply the product and run that. And you can also work with OEMs. OEMs are car dealerships which are available in the city. So you get an exclusivity for your market. India is a very, very large market. Some markets are phenomenal for car detailing, especially in Andhra, Telangana is a huge, huge market. Kerala is a very unique, very strong market on that. Tamil Nadu is a very, very strong market. And I think, but Gujarat is a good market. Maharashtra, obviously, Bombay and Pune is a great market. So if you are in any of these cities and you are interested in taking a franchise, you can apply that. Let's now go into income potential, because the range of investment is from 38 lakh rupees to about 72 lakh rupees, depending on what you start from. And if you invest that kind of money, what kind of return capital you do that? And you can also even explain what kind of ticket value average spend would come from an every user who comes to you.
So, okay, great. So see, the average ticket value would be around 35,000 rupees for when you look at it as a ceramic coating. So you have different services that come in as sanitization, cleaning, your steam washes. You have a lot of other opportunities which are where the ticket sizes are quite less. But when you look at the average ticket size for a ceramic coating, I'm sorry. Yeah, so basically what happens is, the average ticket size would be around 30,000 rupees. And basically what happens is our entry level product starts at around 22,000 rupees and goes all the way up to 75,000 rupees. So the 75,000 rupees would be our self-heal plus, which is our proprietary product. So, and also, hello, are you with me?
Yeah.
Yes. So the average ticket size will somewhere be around 35,000 rupees.
Okay, that's also very, very helpful. And
yeah, and coming to the ROI part on these tickets. So see, ROI projected is around 24 months. So you will be recovering your entire cost within 2 years of span for sure, with the kind of amounts that we are doing now. And going forward, we have more products coming in, and not just automotive. Probably in less than a year or so, we are also planning to introduce marine and industrial coatings in it. But we are also talking with the brand to get these products to India. And these industrial coatings can be applied on probably your architectural buildings, your huge sky rises, or probably anything that has a lot of potential. So see, something to do with industrial coatings will be glass coatings, your metal coatings. So as and when products are introduced, our existing partners also can avail such services. And for example, somebody in Surat has some requirement for an industrial coating, we can supply that and they can continue with their works.
Yeah, sure. So in the future, there would be also marine solutions and also industrial solutions which
coming
would come
into India.
Yeah. So it would be also added opportunity.
Marine is already there available in the market in the US, but we are, as India has not that much of potential in marine, so we delayed it. Now we are starting that marine coatings as well within 2 months.
Okay, that's very, very helpful. And 24 months is a typical ROI, which would be. Now, the last final question, because we've run out of the time, is about the sport. Anybody takes a franchise, what kind of sport you can expect from a training viewpoint, what kind of a go-to-market strategy you would have initial days to get some kind of launch and getting some early customers coming in? What kind of support a company would provide?
So, okay, so see, as I've spoken about our strategic tie-ups with a couple of dealership in that part of the OEM tie-up list, they will be redirected to that particular franchisee, first and foremost. That gives you a lot of traffic. Second thing will be centralized marketing. So the moment you have established your store, we will particularly target all social media ads and a lot of campaigns in that particular territory. And to target the market where people are, for example, like a tier 2 city or a tier 3 city, they might not be really active on social media. So what we will also have is a lot of paper inserts and a lot of campaigns and events. If at all there is a car show happening, we will participate there. If there is an expo happening, we will participate there, and we will do a lot of displays and probably some events like a drive or a meetup or something to do. Like for example, we have a new product launch, and if we have a new studio there, we will do a launch in that particular studio itself. And that also helps. And the centralized marketing has, so we have been facing any sort of issues with that. So that has been driving driving traffic to all our studios.
Sure, very helpful. So
and once we reach about 20 establishments, as of now we are at 9, and once we reach 20 establishments, we will also look at print media. That's the newspaper and magazines.
Okay, sure. So there is a good launch and a local store marketing kind of a support which would come through, and they would also provide you training. So us, because we run out of time, so we would like to have a date where we can organize people who are interested to have one-on-one discussions with you. We call the Discovery Day. What date do you think is good for you to really fix that Discovery Day?
So we can ideally look at any time after the 27th.
So any date comes to your mind, which you are available, and we can block that date and work on that. Maybe 29th?
Yeah, 29th works.
Okay, 29th, friends, is the date where we are going to hold a Discovery Day where you can have one-on-one discussion, talk about your own city, talk about the potential in that particular city, what is the kind of potential you have, and if you are interested, then you can even go into further discussion on financials and planning to launch and so forth. So 29th is the date where we are having this opportunity. So thank you very much, Mr. Krishna Kumar, Mr. Suhas. Thank you for joining us today for our webinar. If you have any last comments, we'd like to hear from you. Mr. Krishna Kumar, any last comments from your side or Suhas from your side?
Nothing. It's a great talking to you all. Very nice of you, Maranji, and Archana ji, and Suhas, and all members who have attended this meeting.
Thank you.
So all I would like to say is, for all our attendees, I would like you to probably come up for the Explore Day, because the Explorer Day will give us more opportunity for you to show us, what actually FineLab can do with more realistic examples and realistic videos. And from there we can take it up. And I personally believe that there is no harm in spending one more hour or another day with us for you to know the brand better.
Absolutely. I strongly encourage that. You need to go into the industry, understand the industry well. They're a very, very strong player, a respected company from United States, now already successful in India. You saw the showrooms, what they've done, the studios. They look phenomenal and great aesthetics, great ambience, great product, high margin product, which is available. They also provide you all the training and support to you to go to market. It's a good category, especially on a tier 2 cities. There is a lot of good category. You still get a lower rentals, and you can get into a business of car detailing. Car detailing is a very strong and a very growing industry. Still one of the lowest penetrated in India. If you look at a Western world, it's a very well penetrated and very mature marketplace. So thank you very much for joining in today. Over to you, Archana, for your final thank you note.
Thank you so much, Mr. Krishna Kumar. Thank you so much, Suhas, for joining in. We would like to thank Gaurav sir also. Dear friends, thank you so much for sparing time today and joining us for this webinar. Please do reach out to us at our business hotline number, which is 97176-83838. We request each one of you to save this number in your phone book, because we have planned multiple webinars for you. You will get messages from our side through broadcast. Once this number is saved in your phone book, you can also write to us at our email ID, which is feedback@franchiseindia.in. We are also available at different social handles. Please join us to get regular updates. You can also join us at the Facebook page of Franchise India Brands Limited. Go in the video section, because till now, whatever kind of the webinar submits we have done, we have the video library of those webinars. You can also join and connect with Gaurav sir and Sonia ma'am at their respective LinkedIn IDs. Information on your screen. And as in the beginning, as informed by Gaurav sir, today we are inviting you to our chapter 2, Amravati, 30 days, 30 cities webinar show. We are inviting you, which will start sharp at 7 p.m. where again, our objective and aim is to bring top 5 business opportunities from different vertical, looking out expansion in your cities. So do registration at the same business hotline number. We have shared the link also in our chat box so that you can get a registration done for the same. And tomorrow, it's Saturday, and Saturday we always try to bring top business opportunity from one particular vertical. And tomorrow we are inviting you to join us journey if you wish to start your business in saloon vertical. We have invited top 5 brands from different domain. They will come and talk about their different saloon models. So do not miss these chance. Please do registration for today 7 p.m. Amravati show and tomorrow Saturday special. Thank you so much once again for joining in today. Have a safe day. Thank you so much.
Thank you.